My name is Matthew Bowen, Superintendent of the Campbell City Schools. We had the opportunity to work with DeSalvo Construction during the building process of the Community Literacy Workforce and Cultural Center. The Community Literacy Workforce and Cultural Center is really an ecosystem of many different public and private partners coming together to provide whole child, whole family services in the Mahoning County area. We've created this opportunity with DeSalvo Construction. It was more of a partnership than it was them just performing a service. It's a year-long relationship to where you have to really know the interest of everyone. And DeSalvo took the time to make sure that they understood where we were coming from, what our wants, what our needs were in order to accomplish the ultimate goal. And that's really a building that's going to serve this entire region and something that everyone should and hopefully will be very proud of. We had weekly progress meetings. It was not just DeSalvo telling us and updating us on what was accomplished or what to anticipate, but it was really open conversation. The general contractor, working with the architect, also made this project, quite frankly, seamless and really made sure that there wasn't a lot of additional effort on behalf of the district. This project was really accomplished more with our architect and our GC working together. When we think about the experience we had with DeSalvo Construction and quality control, they were very responsive to all of our needs. Oftentimes when you enter into a construction project, you have to anticipate that there are going to be change orders. Some of those change orders are unexpected and some of those you anticipate because it's just part of doing business. Some of those changes were brought forth by us, the Campbell City Schools, because there's something that we didn't see in our initial plans. DeSalvo was very responsive. They were able to work with us. They were able to provide us with multiple quotes, and those multiple quotes were necessary in order for us to be in compliance with the state auditors. They understood how to work with schools, that we are a public entity, and they understood specifically what we needed in order to be compliant with our process. The collaboration that exists between DeSalvo and their individual subs was very important to our project because it resulted in an on-time delivery. Even during the pandemic, when a lot of different things were shutting down and a lot of times it was more difficult for supplies and materials to be readily available, DeSalvo was still able to accomplish their goals. They had those relationships with their subs, so even during the most difficult times, we were on schedule. DeSalvo stands out as a contractor because of the relationships they could forge with the owner. It's always been a positive experience, and they took that extra time to make sure that those relationships were established, and it was a positive culture that existed as we all worked together. And if we have the opportunity in the future to work with them again, we will happily do so.